Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is a big day. So if you guys don't know, mostly all of the stuff that we've done on this Jeep has been with this welder. So my dad bought this thing from Canadian Tire on sale, probably I want to say like 3 years ago, before we had the Jeep. And he also has a arc welder that he's had for God knows how long. This is a 110 Mastercraft welder, and it just doesn't do the job. For the stuff that we're starting to do on the Jeep, it just doesn't do the job. As you guys are watching this video, I'm currently in the middle of a video, and this is the reason that I'm making this video, because the video that I'm in the middle of can't get done without this video. So, I'll move this a little bit farther out of the way because I'm going to have to reorganize this cart. I actually don't even know if this cart's gonna work anymore. But, I don't understand why this is so light. So what this is, surprisingly, is a welder off of Amazon, which kind of blows me away. So this welder was on Amazon on Prime, surprisingly, because I don't think that welding stuff should be on Amazon. I feel like Amazon's for like knickknacks and shift knobs and little stuff, phone accessories. I didn't think it was for a welder. Like a welder is something that's like highfalutin, if that's the proper word for it. But this is called, what's the actual name of it? I'll tell you the full Amazon name because Amazon loves to have long ass names. This welder is called a Hitbox MIG welder, 200 amp inverter MIG arc lift TIG gasless 4-in-1 multifunction MIG welding machine. And machine is spelled wrong. The idea of this is it's a 220 plug, so it can suck more power. It hopefully can get hotter, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to do most of the work on this vehicle and on further vehicles to come with this welder. I was very skeptical buying this on Amazon, just due to the fact of what it is. And this Mastercraft 110 is going to be leaving. Wow, would you look at that? It's a box in a box. Oh, this is some components, I'm assuming. No way it's this small. No way. Also, I was jamming out with one of my buddies in his car, so my voice is completely gone. So if you hear some voice cracks, I do apologize. Wow. That is so small.
That's what she said.
It feels quality. I don't know what welding quality feels like because I've only been doing it for probably the last year. But wow. All right, what's in this little box over here? So the picture is deceiving on Amazon, I can tell you that much. Probably guns, I'm assuming. Oh, if I got wire with this, that's gonna be tight. And also, you can probably see on the back of our old welder, I got a tank of, I just call it MIG mix, I'm pretty sure it's argon and CO2. And as soon as I bought that, and the welder didn't weld how I thought it was going to, I knew I had to upgrade. So in here are the instructions, okay. Some tube, okay, don't necessarily know what that's for. You got ground. You got another ground, okay. I feel like there's two different grounds for two different types of welding. I'm assuming hardware, I'll open that up in a sec. And the nozzle, or the gun, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know, I don't really care. And there's also some hardware as well. You got a couple, what are they called? Nozzle adapters, whatever, when you run different wire. How touchy is this trigger? Very touchy. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm gonna set all this off to the side, open up this last box for you guys, clean up our welding cart, and put this one on there and figure out how to set it up. Oh, it's a roll of wire. What type of wire is it? Is it flux? Or is it MIG? Oh, it looks like flux. The big thing with this welder is that it was a 220, not a 110. That was the biggest thing with it. It's a roll of flux wire, okay. Cool. So I know how I'm gonna clean this thing up really fast. Ready? Ready? Got the welder on the cart, my little thing didn't work how I wanted it to, but the welder is on. I've got it tuned in. I've laid down a lot better. Can you see that? Laid down a lot better welds than these ones, which was with the other welder. So I'm happy with it. You guys kind of probably know what's going on, but next video will explain it all. So quick video, keep you guys updated. I'll see you next time. Boom!